Showing trades every single day. Scammers hiding in their holes, wasting your energy away. They're trying to hustle, trying to make a quick buck, but they're just snakes in the grass and you're out of luck. They'll promise you the world, but it's all a facade. They'll take your hard-earned cash and leave you feeling robbed. They'll talk a big game with their words so smooth, but behind the scenes it's all a twisted groove. They prey on the innocent, they don't care who they hurt. They'll sell your dreams while they're laughing in the dirt. Take advantage of your trust and leave you with disbelief. But it's time to stand up and expose their deceit. Trading triumph, I'm the ruler of the trade. With AlgoBox by my side, no mistake can be made. Wrecking scammers with my live streams every day. Taking on the market.
Welcome aboard, everyone.
What exactly is AlgoBox, and why do our traders absolutely love it?
Michael Othrew. Alrighty then, are you ready indeed? Good morning, let's get to it. Let's see, had to restart NinjaTrader here. And good morning, how's everybody doing? It's Mentorship Monday. What am I going to teach you today? Today, I'm going to show you, well, we did early in, early out Friday, but today it's kind of another early in, early out day for me as well. We got some family fun stuff planned out today, so we got to get going pretty quick here today. So I'm going to talk to the folks around, some of you guys who, well, I say most of you, well, I don't really know. I should poll the crowd at some point to find out how many people trade full-time, how many people are part-time, let's do this. Let's make a poll. Let me check here. Timco, Mr. Timothy, if you are online, ping me there in the public chat. I don't think I saw you in the... There he is. If you can do us quick as a poll there on... There he is. What's up, Timco? If you could create us a poll for part-time, full-time, that's the main thing. If there's another option on that poll, but let's see how many people are full-time traders, how many people are part-time, got a job, kind of just a all-around like general who's full-time, who's part-time, who's got a job separately where they've got to kind of squeeze trading into their schedule, because today I'm going to show you guys how to squeeze trading into your schedule, or at least that's the plan here this morning, because I got to squeeze it into my plan. I'm going to be early in, early out here this morning, so that's my plan. So one of those things on full auto, let me scroll back here real quick here. I am not going to enable full auto here this morning because I've got to be early in, early out, and the last thing I want to do is be stuck having to hold and wait out for my bots. What do I know about my bots? My bots need a little bit of time. I need to allow them the opportunity to roll into their cadence. It's a whole thing. If you don't know about that, go through our training program. Speaking of our training program, hit up the 8-day boot camp ASAP. I have finished all of the edits on those, so they are ready to go behind the paywall. We're going to be adding a client portal. We've got our web guys already working on it right now. Literally just walked through some stuff that they did updates over the weekend. The client portal is coming, and then this 8-day boot camp is going to go back there. So go get it while it is free on me. It's on the website in the free training section. Literally, you don't have to put in your email address, nothing. It's literally sitting on our website. Click on training at the top of the website, and all the videos are currently right there for you to go and check out that 8-day boot camp. It doesn't take you 8 days. It's 8 videos now. So do it at your leisure. Do it however fast you can get into them and do it. All right. So I'm not going to turn on full auto. Makes sense here because I got to be early in, early out here this morning. I'm going to take a couple trades, and whatever I make on those trades, that's it. And I want to try to beat what you can do or what I could do in a normal job. You think I can do it? You think we can pull out the money guns and hit it in 2 trades plus maybe a bonus? Maybe. Got to be early in, early out because I got stuff to do. You know what I'm saying? All right. So that's my plan here this morning. There's a power headshot right there. That might have been my first trade opportunity right there. Power headshot off of the bottom of a channel, and could probably grab a 20 tick trade out of that. Let's see if it already moved. It's already moved 32 ticks. So there's my first 20 bag right there. I was trying to get in here early and just stuff happening. Got stuff going. There's the first power headshot for the first play that I already missed there. But yeah, that would have been a nice one to grab my first 20 bag off of right there. Now, why a 20 bag and not more? Because look at where we're at here, right? We're on strong sell, so the bias is to the long side. So I'm sorry, to the short side. So if I'm going to take the long, I've got to take a target 1, right? Everybody get it? 44. Good morning, Eddie. Full-time, part-times. Let's check out that poll here. I think he's still working on the poll. Okay, let's see. High time frame. Oh, now we got a power headshot short here, so I'll go ahead and take the power headshot short. Let's see. If we pop up a little bit here, I hope to get it to kind of pop up here to my dot a little bit. Where the ideal entry is right there in that cross point. There we go, that pole, he's got that pole up there.
Fib.NQ on the 9.
All right, I'm here at popcorn. All right, popcorn got off the tape here, so I'm going to go into my standard full position scenario here.
Fib.NQ on the 2.
Don't like that steady clicking there when I'm trying to get in on a short. Now, I've got strong sell on my side here. I've got there's a pink dot I'm going to add to my position here. We got a switch dot on the 9s. So as I pull back, whoops, wrong button there. Here we go. So over here, got a switch dot on the 9s. That is a green to red. And now we have a 4.3 right there. So could be an opportunity here for me to get a T1, maybe even a T2 out of it. I saw 19 ticks. See if I can get the 20 bag. 19, 13. Oh boy. She's toying with me. $18, $22, $21, $28, $29, $39. I saw 39 ticks. Let's see if I can get my full T1, T2. There we go. Boom, and holding my target all the way down. Target 1, and I'm done. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, 4K on the day. Let's go. Targets filled. That's how you do it. That's it. All right, folks. That's what I came in here to do today. I told you, I got to be early in. I got to be early out. That's 4K on the day. That is how I like to play. It's so easy. Your mom could do it. Just kidding. Just kidding. I don't know why I said that. I don't know. I haven't had my coffee yet here this morning. It doesn't count. Doesn't count. Forgive me. That was wrong. But I'm just saying, that was awesome. That's how I play it. Now, let me just pause the music here for just a second. All right, look. We had multiple things lining up right there. High time frame, red dot on the high time frame. We had the mid time frame along with it. So why did I hold out more than 20 ticks? Everybody understand that. That is the important part of understanding on a Mentorship Monday. I've got to tell you, if I've got this with me, it's as simple as this. This is the tool set. Remember, this over here is the nerd. Okay? You'll hear me refer to it as, what does the nerd say? NASDAQ, ES, RTY, and the Dow. These are the four horsemen of, of our futures contracts when we're running off of the NASDAQ. All right, so that NASDAQ, I'm running and trading on this, but I care about what his other buddies here are doing. The NASDAQ, the ES, RTY, and the Dow. What are these guys doing? That is over here, okay? So, currently, strong sell. Therefore, I can hold a T1 and a T2. If this is green or going against me, whatever play I'm going in, then I can go to T1. And that T1 is adjustable based on what bar size I'm on. Right now, I am on the 4s. You'll learn this in the training. Make sure you get through the boot camp, but then there is advanced level training to go in all the details of things like this. What's the appropriate bar size? What's the proper speedometer? How do I read the speedometer? How do I know if I'm in the proper speed or not? At the same time, it's kind of obvious. I put it right down here for you. Too slow currently. If you want the ideal speed, of course, we can cover up the chart if you want as well. If you're like, okay, don't play the markets when it's not the right speed. You've got all kinds of cool things to take advantage of with the system. I'm just playing it quantitatively. I want to stack up plays and print out one of these cheat sheets. What's the cheat sheet? This right here. There's that headshot right in the middle of the screen. You see it there? Dead center of the screen. You got the headshot. That's a Fibelladot plus Flowmaster event. Now, this one happened to be a power headshot. Plus, we had a double dot. Double dot, I believe, is on the second cheat sheet, which is this one. Double dot there, as you can see, on this high time frame. Now, speaking of the high time frames, you'll learn how to do this. Order of operations. Here's your 5 time frames. Reading from the left to the right is what I suggest. High time frame down to low. Markets are fractal. You've probably been around a while to know that. Here's a 3 chart layout. As long as you have a high time frame, then 2 opportunities to enter in on a big or a small, based on whether or not, like we just said earlier, do I have the favorable direction with me? Is the nerd with me, or is it against me? Can I scalp this trade for a quick target 1, or is this something I can run out for a target 2 plus a runner, right? I try to keep it simple like that. We've also got a 2-step rule. We try to do things in 2s and 3s here. Okay, for on the 2s, learn the 2-step entry. We really go over this in that 8-day boot camp, where I want to have 2 major things with me. First, I want to have the nerd and the arrow. What is the arrow? The arrow comes off of the filter chart right here. Now, just a moment ago when I took this trade, I had the red arrow with me. the arrow was red. Right now, we did get a switch here, and we have the green arrow that came in, and you kind of see this pop up here right now. Yeah, as this market has moved up here, we currently do not have the two items with us. What do I want? I want the nerd, and I want the arrow. So if this is red, I want to see a red arrow. Simple. This is our two-step entry system, right? Two items, 2 steps before I press the button. I want the nerd and I want that arrow, especially if I am in the fiddle zone. Now, I also have talked about, like, the best plays are going to be really outside of this fiddle zone most of the time. But if I've got a perfect play, I'm inside the fiddle zone, I want those two things. Earlier, I did have that, and we were inside the fiddle zone. We were right there. Okay. So anyhow, I know I'm kind of going over a lot here on a Mentorship Monday, but that's kind of the point, to go through and do a review. But I got to get going. Okay, I really do. So I'm going to leave you guys with that right there. It's pre-market. I hope you guys are just very careful. If you are brand new with us, go do the 8-day boot camp. If you got questions, hop into Discord. Our Discord is completely free. All that's in the link down in the description down below. The training is there on the website. It's Black Friday event. We'll talk more about that probably tomorrow, but go check out that offer. You can also join the discipleship program, get an extra $1,000 off. I will catch you guys tomorrow, Tuesday, because I got to run. Have some fun. See ya.